Hello, engineers. Today, I'm diving straight into three terms every civil engineer must know: error, defect, and failure. Trust me, these aren't just boring definitions. They're the difference between a building that stands tall and one that becomes a headline for all the wrong reasons. Let's start with error. An error is a human mistake that creeps in at any stage: design, planning, or execution. Picture this. You're designing a beam and assume the wrong load. Boom! That's a design error. Or say you're on site reading a drawing and you place the reinforcement in the wrong spot. That's an execution error. The scary part? Errors are sneaky. They hide until it's too late. But here's my advice. Always double-check your assumptions and never skip the codes and standards. It only takes one small slip to set off a chain reaction. Now, on to defect. A defect is a physical flaw, something that isn't up to standard, whether you can see it or not. You might notice cracks in plaster, honeycombing in concrete, or damp patches because someone ignored proper waterproofing. These defects don't just appear out of thin air. They usually show up because of sloppy work, bad materials, or, guess what, unfixed errors from before. Finally, let's talk about failure. Failure is when a structure, or part of it, just can't do its job any longer. Maybe a bridge collapses because the joints were poorly designed. Or a foundation gives way thanks to skipped soil analysis. Or imagine a slab caving in because the reinforcement rusted through. Failures are dramatic and dangerous. And more often than not, they're the end result of errors and defects that went unchecked. So here's the chain to always remember. Error leads to defect, which leads to failure. If you catch the error early, you fix the defect, and you prevent the failure. That's the mark of a true civil engineer. Stay alert, be precise, and always build with integrity. If you found this useful, subscribe for more bite-sized engineering insights. Thanks for watching.